Hi guys, it's Miss Amy and it is November, so it is picture book month, but this activity is for everyone. This is a STEM activity. This is some geometry, math. Oh my gosh, math, no. This is geometry construction. It is so much fun and you can do this challenge. You can make little cards or you can just challenge yourself or just make towers with marshmallows. So what you need is a bag of mini marshmallows and a bunch of pointy toothpicks, not the kind that have a flat side because they don't work. So I'm gonna show you. So here is a toothpick tetrahedron shape, okay, that I built. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, 4 triangular sides, and it is built with 4 marshmallows and with 6 toothpicks. So this is a tetrahedron. So really, really cool. So with some marshmallows, so let's see if we can build a cube. Okay, so a cube has 6 sides, and a cube has four squares. No, 6 squares. It's 6 squares. So here we go. So I'm building the squares. Okay, and a cube is 3-dimensional. These are all 3-dimensional shapes. They don't have to be. You could, with younger kids, you could stop with a flat geometric shape. So here's a square. They could build a triangle. They could build diamonds, rhombuses, rectangles, things like that. But for older kids, you can do, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put these all in like this, okay, and you can see if you can do this right along. So if you have marshmallows, great. If you don't, watch the video and then try it the next time you go to the store, get some marshmallows. Okay, so now I'm gonna build the square that's gonna go on top because that's just gonna make it super easy. So I'm gonna do the same thing that I did before with the marshmallows, and I'm gonna build a square, okay, and I'll tell you, so if your marshmallows have been in your closet for a while and you forgot about them, they may be hard and sugary, but that hard marshmallows are actually super good for this project because they stay together better. But you can do it with soft marshmallows too, because if you buy marshmallows, you're gonna buy soft marshmallows. Okay, so that one just does not want to stay. Okay, so there we go, because I went too far. Okay, I'm gonna go like that and like that. Okay, so here's my second square. Here's the bottom half of my cube, and now I'm going to put these on here to make my cube. And remember, cube has 6 sides. Okay, I think it's 6. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and there is a cube. All right, so we have a tetrahedron, we have a cube. Let's try one more. Let's do a pyramid. So a pyramid, does anybody know what the shapes are that are in a pyramid? So a pyramid starts on a square background or a square base. So I'm gonna do the same thing that I did, and I'm going to build a square base, okay? Just like I just built for the pyramid. And I'm just gonna build 1 square base. But then what I need to do is build triangles. And I need 4 triangles to build a pyramid. So what I'm going to do actually is I'm going to start with the 4 like this, okay? So that's gonna come together in a marshmallow. Same thing over here, okay? There's the second triangle, come together in the marshmallow, and the third, and then the fourth. Okay, so now by putting 1 marshmallow in the middle, that gives me 4 triangles all the way around to then make my pyramid. Okay, and there is a pyramid. Okay, so pyramid has a square bottom, and then there are 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the top looks like that. Okay, so cube, pyramid, tetrahedron, and there's one more 3-dimensional shape that we can do, which is really easy, and that is a prism. A prism shape is actually 3 squares and 2 triangles. I know, go figure. Okay, so again, I'm gonna start, I'm gonna start with a triangle. Let's start with a triangle. So something different. This is also so that you can see that kids of all ages can do this. They don't have to be doing these shapes, but they can, because 3-dimensional shapes are super fun. So here's a triangle, square, okay, because remember, it has a square. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put a marshmallow on here, and this on here, like this, and then I'm going to put it here. Okay, so there's 1 square. Okay, same thing I'm gonna do on this side. Okay, so I'm gonna put this like this. Okay, and then you can see that this is gonna be a square, so I'm gonna put 1 here and 1 through there. Okay, so there's 1 square. It's kind of a crooked square, but it is a square. Oops, triangle. Triangle. Okay, this way. Okay, here we go. All right, so then I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. I'm gonna do this. Okay, so I have the triangle on the bottom, and then square, square, and I need 1 more square. So I need 1 more toothpick. 1 more toothpick here to make my 3rd square, which then is going to make prism shape. Okay, so prism, square on the bottom, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles, okay? Or a triangle and 1, 2, 3 squares, okay? Like that. Very cool. So, prism, pyramid, cube, tetrahedron, and then you can do a square, triangle, rectangle, whatever, or you can just build and create. See how tall you can make your sculpture. You can just get really super creative using the toothpicks, and you can do this for hours. You can build your name in alphabet letters if you want it, which is so fun. Let's see if I can do it really quick. Let's see, mine would be tricky. I'd have to go like this. Yeah, names would be tricky. Let's do it. Okay. Yep. Okay, so here's an A. I wonder if I could do an M. Let's see. I bet I can. Like that. And like that. And like that. So there's an M. Okay, here's my A. Here's my A. Okay, so like that. A, M. And then Y. Ooh, Y can be tricky. All right, I'm gonna bend that in half. I'm gonna go like that. And then I'm gonna go like this. Like that. And there we go. So, A, M, and a Y. So there you are, A, M, Y. Oops, backwards. Let's see, A, M, Y. There it is, Amy. Okay. I had to get interactive today because of Picture Book Month and interactive picture books today. So, hugs to you all. Happy creating, happy sculpting, happy fun geographical math. No, geometry with math, not geographical. Geometry with math, marshmallows, and toothpicks. Miss Amy, hugs.